Habibur will be the focus. A century in the first match, effective in the last match against Sri Lanka A. And thereon, Akbar Ali. Straight up, an appeal. Perhaps a little high. Was going towards mid-wicket. It went towards third man. That's the true nature of the pitch. That's the true nature of Habibur's strength as he slashes it. Goes across once more. There's no second slip. Yes, it goes for a boundary, but Gurjapneet knows that he has the batter in six. Much straighter this time. Clean connection. One bounce for.
Intention.
Take that. That is humongous. What a start for Bangladesh. Goes fast as a double bluff and picked up beautifully by Habibur. Sends it towards the boundary. This is brilliant batting by Bangladesh. Picked it up. Hello, Harsh. Bye-bye, ball.
Jishan.
Plays towards mid-off. That's clutched. Gurjapneet gets his man. The momentum is definitely stalled. And Jishan, who was looking oh so good, has to make the long walk.
Crowd coming in. Goes for that big one. Long on fielder. Could watch that go sail over for maximum. Pressure doesn't shrink the brave. It sharpens them.
A boundary after 14 deliveries, and both these batters were...
Hit to the field. Will steal a single. Direct hit. I think Chauhan made it. Yeah, just going back to Habibur Rahman, Chauhan. Till 2020, this guy was playing amateur cricket. And then go on. They'll go upstairs.
Clearly in. I think we should be, without wasting any time, should we get going?
The confirmation will be a not out. It's a good over so far for Bangladesh. Courtesy of...
Mainly for a couple of reasons. That's a shot. That's a shot. Slow ball into the pitch. Set up beautifully. And Ramandeep has been greeted.
6 of the very first ball, as you mentioned, right.
Shot wide. And finds the fielder at deep cover point. He was quite fine there. Some other day, Abrar would have smashed it over a 6 or a boundary. Not today. Easy catch at the cover point.
Not the best of deliveries, but the fielder was set for Abrar to play that shot. And he fell in the trap. It's too wide, but still, the connection was not the best. You have to give some credit to the captain for putting a fielder right there.
I'm telling you, that was very lucky for India. That delivery got a wicket. Zawad got for 13. Bangladesh 76. That's a memory he'll carry. Shot. Habibur Rahman pumps it over long on. In his arc, over it goes.
Semi-finals aren't about fame, they are about focus. And Habibur Rahman Chauhan is focused. Was in the arc. Slower delivery. Picked up really well down the...
Second time around, another full toss, and this was a gift for a batter of the class of Akbar Ali. His first boundary. Just a little paddle.
Yeah, well, Suyash hasn't been among wickets so far. Full toss and very nicely played. Didn't overhit it, just nicely played it away from the fielder in the deep end. This is going to run down to the boundary.
He goes for the big one. And it stays big. Putting pressure on the fifth bowler. That's the order of the day, and Habibur responds.
Well, he is bowling it away from the wicket, so there's no risk going after him. And again, he's bowling those slower deliveries that have been tonked we saw in the previous over. This time around, bowls it slower, away from the wicket, got the width, in the power. Habibur Rahman Sohan says, thank you very much. Partnership is now 23.
That wide ensures that Bangladesh A are now into triple figures. The hundreds up.
Now, well, Ramandeep has got to have to get things sorted for India A. Bangladesh A bring up their second 50 and 31 deliveries. 156 now, 47 of 30. You talk about sixes, Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
The leading six-hitter. Wide-ish from around the wicket. There is a deep extra cover. Doesn't reach Gurjapneet, but he does mop it up.
For a moment, I thought he overran it, and then his long hands making sure he holds it and doesn't let it go to the boundary.
Time for Habibur. Stoic. Under pressure. Habibur Rahman Sohan is making his mark at the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars and raises his bat once more. In front of an expectant crowd, he has lived up to expectations.
Absolutely.
He takes on the bowler. Gurjapneet, the lanky lefty with a good fielding effort.
I certainly saved 3 for his team. Hasn't he? He's a good fielder. We said that in the first games as well for a bowler. And of that height, being so good out in the field, he's standing out. Just making sure he keeps it away. Popped off his hand, but doesn't matter. His body behind it, not allowing it to go to the boundary. Just one.
Yeah! Soft! But Dubey does the trick. A sigh of relief for India A. And Akbar Ali.
Dubey turning the pressure into performance. Look at that. Providing the breakthrough, simple as it comes. And breaks that threatening partnership of 32. India A. And send back the skipper Akbar Ali after making 9. Bangladesh A.
This prompts the entry of Abu Haider Roni. Two googlies. Twice over they beat the bat. Jitesh asks for a stumping. Hemanta Boteju, are you going up? Yes, you are.
Let's have a look how things are here. It's gonna have to be touch and go. I think his foot is.
He moves his hand away, then notices, and then just clips the bail. Oh. Or the benefit of the doubt could go into the batter's favour. Not out on the big screen.
Third man in the circle, any top edge behind square will be a boundary. Not where Habibur Rahman intended, but he'll take it.
Absolutely, a bit of luck going Habibur's way. We saw how the innings started. 2 top edges flying over the third man, and now we have seen the third. Yeah, wanted to go straight, but the angle of the delivery, taking the outside edge. Good thing is that he went into the stroke, fully committed to it.
Just like that, well done. An easy catch. And well done to Jitesh Sharma and Gurjapneet to getting the tactics right. And this occasion is a big wicket, the prize wicket of Habibur Rahman.
A very soft dismissal that. As soon as the field changed, I think the batter was still in 2 minds where to go next, where to go looking for runs. And in the end, he played this shot with one hand. Probably didn't get the length. And in the end, holding out an easy catch to the man at covers in the ring. And Gurjapneet, well, his reaction.
Straight, long off in place and long on as well. And the long on fielder says mine and takes a good one. That's exactly what India were after. Namandir picks up a big wicket.
Beautiful catch that. Wonderfully judged, and in the end they're also picking up wickets. Once again trying to go across the angle, not playing it towards covers, not looking at another cricketing stroke, just trying to go with everything towards leg side. An intelligent bowling, I have to say, from Naman. He just slowed the pace down. Bangladesh.
Short delivery, set up, and he times it over long on. 4 fielders in the leg side, all saving the boundary. And Mehrab gave it a real thumping over long on.
But Japneet, this is not on. This is not what you are. I don't know why he wanted to change that. That setup, asking to be hit. 6 important runs for Bangladesh.
Bit of Rafael Nadal in the Namandir. Shot. Things finds the fielder and long off. No, evades him. That's an excellent hit. Mehrab Hossain give himself room a little bit. The umpire will consult the third umpire to check it is a 4 or 6. What an hit.
Yeah, for a change, somebody has opted to play a cricket stroke. That makes sense. Going with the spin, creating room and hitting over extra cover. A fantastic cricket shot. Just have a look at this. Great footwork, getting down to it, extending the arms and just hitting it in the gap, which is almost always there over extra. And it's against the wind, so it had to be a really good connection.
Reverse hit. Sweeper cover fielder. He does the running to his right, but still, it's an excellent hit. Almost a switch hit over cow point. Mehrab Hossain, he's turning the heat on.
With the spin is the key here. With the spin, great athleticism from a position which is not ideal. He generated tremendous power. Just have a look at that stroke. Brilliantly executed. But the key is hitting with the spin.
Remember, folks, couple of in the angle, and it's another 6. Third 6 of the over. Short, set up, and Mehrab give the full Monty towards it. The fight has been full toss. Short finding in place, evades him, and should be a boundary. Good choices made in this over by Mehrab. He knew, he saw the short finding fielder was quite square, went inside the line, paid the paddle sweep to the gap.
Already 22. Naman has proved mighty expensive in this over. Very crucial for Bangladesh, this momentum shifter.
Reverse hit again, make it another maximum. 4 sixes, a boundary of the 19th over by Namandir. And after the 19th over, it's 172 for 6.
Yeah. Made.
Shot. Short fine leg, short square leg in place. Yasir Ali walks toward the offside and scoops it over for a boundary. Excellent shot.
A touch of A.B. de Villiers in that stroke. Brilliant. Absolutely great execution. Have a look at this. Wow. Some stability and control and clarity of thought. Using the angle, getting 4.
They compete even comes the fast bowler. This was the last over, the last ball. Oh, square leg in place. He's in the circle, but this goes over him. And second boundary in the same spur. And Hemanta Boteju, he makes this signal. And a 50-over partnership as well between Yasir and Mehrab.
This 50 of 21 is a game turner. A game-changing partnership this between Yasir and Mehrab. Wonderful stroke. Once again, a repeat of the boundary. Once again.
Extra cover, go cow point, and finds the boundary again. That's another good hit. There were 2 fielders behind square in the offside. One, a fine or a deep extra cover, found the gap perfectly as Hemanta Boteju will consult the third umpire again.
It's raining boundaries. It's a rampage. And both the Bangladesh batters now getting the better of Indian bowlers in the last couple of overs. Have a look at this. Well, somehow.
Short delivery. And Mehrab Hossain, he picked the bounce out of that. The massive 6 over long on. The last 2 overs, it was raining sixers. And clearly, the momentum is with Bangladesh. They finish 194 for 6 in their allotted 20 overs.
Great finish from Bangladesh. Magnificent.
Biggest difference. So target for India A led by Jitesh Sharma. They're going to make 195 in 20 overs at 9.75 runs per over. Walks out. Vaibhav Suryavanshi on your left. India A to have a good chance of winning this game. I just have this feeling Suryavanshi got to play one of those special knocks.
Semi-final one of this DP World Rising Stars Asia Cup. The man in form, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. 0-6. Priyansh Arya, also a capable batter, 200 as well. Ripan Mondal, the man in form, the highest wicket taker for Bangladesh A in this. Goes for it right away. Vaibhav Suryavanshi gets off the mark. Not the most convincing manner, but India A are off the mark.
They need a good start. The first 6 overs, they'll need at least 60 on the board. These two batters, they're very attacking. You could chase big totals. He's gone for it. That should be a 6. Right from the meat of the blade. Sweet timer. Vaibhav, intentions are clear. He's going to back himself.
A free mind scores faster than a free arm. Vaibhav Suryavanshi struck the first 6 of the innings. The slower delivery picked up so early. Look at that focus. Goes for it again. Came big on him. But no matter. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is on song. India are off to a flying start.
That's not the length Ripan would want to bowl. His captain's just gone up to him. You got to pitch the ball a little up. You got to swing it. You got to try and get a wicket. If you start thinking, what is the batter going to do? That ball is not going to come after.
Goes for that fuller one. But Vaibhav Suryavanshi says thank you very much. Finds the gap.
The bat flow is gone. Comes in with that positive frame of mind, backing himself, believing in his strengths. Pressure on the bowler. And who's the bowler? Ripan. The highest wicket taker, joint highest wicket taker so far with Gurjapneet. That is what the captain, Jitesh.
Good start from Mehrab. 4 singles so far. 2 left hands. This time the connection was good and the result even sweeter. In high stakes cricket, clarity is the most valuable currency here.
Leading run scorer now. That's the 200. What a hit. He hit it and it stayed. Flattish delivery coming onto the bat nicely. Probably Akbar Ali thought bring on the spinner because we've seen Vaibhav Suryavanshi has struggled a little bit against spinners in the beginning. But he's trying to prove something here. Another big one. What a hit. That stays as well. 2 overs gone, 35. You got to watch me as well. That's a beautiful shot. Got into that position so quickly. Trying to bowl quicker with the bowler.
Gives it a charge. Priyansh Arya taking on Jishan Alam. Back-to-back sixes for Priyansh and India A.
He scored 3 tens so far. The 3 innings that he's played so far, he scored 10, 10 and 10. So this is his highest score so far in this tournament. Lovely use of the feed. Oh, well timed. Beautiful timing that.
I like his composure. Yeah, he's Abdul Ghaffar Saklan greeted with the boundary of the first ball from Vaibhav Suryavanshi, and that brings up the team 50. That's the fastest team 50 of this edition of DP World Rising Stars Asia Cup. Came just of 19 deliveries.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi on song. Welcome Saklan with a boundary. Inside out. That's a difficult shot to play. Knew exactly where the fielders were.
Huge shout, huge shout, huge shout. Umpire suggested it was going down the leg side. Mahmood Khan was the umpire there.
There was more excitement in that appeal.
By the coaching staff. Catch it is the call. Fielder at long on, makes no mistake. Jishan Alam, Abdul Ghaffar Saklan with that CR7 celebration. It's the big breakthrough for Bangladesh. It's the wicket of Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
And an important one. He was really going after the bowlers. And look at that Bangladesh crowd there. They should be happy seeing the back of Vaibhav Suryavanshi. I've said it before, I'll say it again. You'll have to learn to play along the ground as well. There's too much in the air, and I remember my coach telling every batter who would play in the air that you're giving half a chance to bowler all the time. You play strokes in the air, and this is exactly what happened. And Saklan should be happy. Got an important wicket. These two were running away with it. Suryavanshi gone for Mandhir. 39th game for him. 662 runs. Strike rate 165. Just the one.
Bit of inside edge. Misfield. Rakibul was the fielder at short fine leg. Allows Namandi to get off the mark.
Yeah, the fielding has to be spot on.
Of big match, semi-final. Bangladesh never won the title. Rakibul on that occasion just moving his eyes. That's brilliant. A bit of aggression as well. I like it. You need to have that aggression as a fast bowler since he idolizes someone like Dale Steyn.
Yeah, if you don't have that aggression as a fast bowler, then you're missing something. And that aggression also seen there because he went for 19 in his first over. Yeah, Riyan Sharia telling his partner.
Crunched. Oh, and there you go. You can't afford to do that. Abu Haider Roni's just come into the attack, and you can see how disappointed Akbar Ali is as well.
Much needed boundary for Naman to just calm him down. Jitteriness that a person has as a batter when you walk in and you don't get a run in a chase for too long. This is a very lazy effort, to say the least. The bowler.
Clip towards square leg, that's catching practice. Naman perishes. The Indian innings has stalled, and as of right now, it's the Bangla Tigers that remain on top.
What's going on? What sort of a shot is that? Knowing that there's of a pace on delivery, but still, yeah, he did not play with the full flourish. Just tried to be cute with a small short arm jab. Not enough to take it across the ropes. In the end, holding out, and India lose their second. Now, after Namandi's 7,
And what do you have in store? Jitesh Sharma in his 147th game has walked out in the middle, has crossed 3,000. Short is by Mehrob, who comes in as a change once more. Oh, almost there. Once more for Yasir. It's one of those conundrums. Do I go for the catch? Do I save the boundary? He took the risk.
at this very moment, I think he did the right thing, going for the catch. He made an effort. He should have stopped the ball. But I think these sort of chances are always difficult. Running forward, yeah, he was very close to it. I think he made the right choice.
What a shot that is. The sound of the bat is ringing across Doha.
On the up, brilliantly struck. But you have to question the bowler's line and length. What is he up to? First ball was a wide and then a short and wide ball, allowing the batter to free his arms. He's not somebody who's quick. This is a free hit.
Man, I don't think he has the field for that kind of delivery. He has a deep point. Yeah. Takes him on. Takes long off on, who can just be a mere spectator. Those in the stands celebrate.
Yeah, I think he has taken a decision to go after Haider. And he has been provided the opportunities to do so. The length isn't ideal. The pace is just ideal for the batter to go after. Just have a look at this. This time it was a...
That's a good comeback delivery, but well negotiated. Just opened the face of the bat and guided it towards the boundary.
That is excellent batting. Very sensible, just waiting for the ball and maneuvering the length into the gap. Priyansh has certainly started to fire. Earlier, Maninder Paji was saying that he is due with some runs. He's a very good player. He hasn't fired in the tournament, and now come the big stage, the big guy has started to respond. 100.
He's taken him on. Priyansh Arya departs. Rakibul yet again delivers for his captain.
I like the way he watches the batter and how he approaches the crease. The body language is different from all the other bowlers. Rakibul comes in and just does his job straight away, picks up the all-important wicket of Priyansh, who was looking brilliant, striking 44 runs of 22 balls before this happened. And the length is important over here from the bowler, pitching it way shorter than what the previous bowlers have done, and this time the fielder makes no mistake.
Yeah, Priyansh Arya will cut a disappointed figure as Rakibul celebrates. 6 short of a 50 out of 44. India a 98 for 3 and
Picks up, direct hit.
Well, we're talking about the drop catches, but that doesn't take anything away from the fielding.
What a game we are having here, semi-final one. Have a closer look at that. Where's the batter? There he is. Oh, I think he's made it. Yeah, I think he's made it.
Good ball, good
Nicely
ball.
bowled again. Not doing anything out of the ordinary here. Don't need to search for a wicket at the moment. Oh, that kept low. Nehal had no answers to it.
Yeah, well, we talk about this surface being good on batting. Sometimes these deliveries keeping low and certain deliveries turning, we saw early on. I'll tell you, maybe it's the other way around. Now, just asking you who you think will be able to provide the breakthrough. We're talking about breakthrough, breaking the shackles. This is high in the air, and a boundary comes off.
The sharp edges of pressure. Pressure was on. He took it.
Yeah, not cracking under pressure.
Darted in. Swings away. Will get a boundary. All of a sudden, the momentum is shifting towards India.
Yeah, well, after being smashed for a maximum the previous delivery that he bowled really full, this time too short. So both the occasion not bowling it right and paying the price. That tells you that the margin for the error is too little in runs.
Gives it a charge right away. Jitesh takes on Abu Haider. Down the ground, downtown, 6 of the first ball.
Maybe the skipper was thinking that he could be creating another opportunity, not to be. And how typical that is, how you start the over. It is always to take the bowler on. It's always the first or the last delivery, and the bowlers can be taken for runs. Slower delivery, came down the track, and what a start to the over from Jitesh Sharma. Remember,
On the wicket. Top edge, trying to be cheeky. Still effective for India A. Jitesh taking on Abu Haider. 10 of the first 2 balls.
well, As a captain, you think that you've been there for a very long time now. So let's start in going after the bowlers. The equation has come down to 53 now of 34 because 10 runs, as you said it, Mazhar, have come off the last two delivery. And that's not a bad shot. He's trying to keep it down.
Fuller, nicely played. Calmness under pressure is what separates the good from the great.
You talk about great, that is a shot of great Virat Kohli. Just going for it, opening the face of the bat and smashing it for maximum. What an over this has been for India A. Just look at that shot. Beautiful timing. This time around, full force behind it. Opening the face of the bat, making sure it clears the boundary. Amazing shot that. In one word, that is artwork.
Superb timing. What delivery, outside edge, taken. What a catch from Akbar Ali. Abu Haidar has the last laugh. Outstanding. What a game you're having here. End of over number 15, India A, 150 for 4.
Skipper had to do something outstanding, extraordinary to send back Jitesh, and this time around once again wanted to play down the leg side, top edge, and Akbar Ali takes a blinder. An over that is conceded 18 run, a shot that he wanted to play somewhere else has been into the gloves of the skipper to send back the skipper. Jitesh Sharma making
He's off the mark straight away with a classical back foot punch all on the ground. Beautiful hit. 271st. Full toss down the leg side. Finds the field at deep square leg. It's now 22 deliveries, 37 to win. Needs some calm heads in the Indian perspective. Bangladesh, they need some wickets here. That was Jitesh Sharma's wicket. Very good catch by Akbar Ali. There you go, he sees the replay. He cannot believe it. Shot. Oh, extra cover. Just evaded it. For a second, I thought the short extra cover had it. But Ramandeep, what a shot under pressure.
He's got it in him, Ramandeep. That is why he's here. He's done well so far. This is an opportunity. This is an opportunity. Picture perfect. Kept that pose there for the photographers.
Good Yorker. Very good Yorker upon Mondo. Under pressure. Yorker again. Very good over Ripon Mondo. Just 8 runs of the 17th over. It's 1. Down the leg side. Fine leg in the circle. Poor delivery to finish off the 18th over. 10 runs from it. And 25 needed in the 13 deliveries. Now becomes 21 of 12. 174 for 4. Full toss, straight up in the air. Akbar Ali says mine. Oh, he drops it. He drops it. Couple of overs before, he took a stunner to dismiss Jitesh Sharma.
That experience in the world. Drops a sitter. Drops it at the wrong time for Bangladesh. Oh, those eyes were not on the ball.
Plus, he was going down in the slot, long on fielder in place, and straight at him. Jishan Alam at long on, cool as a cucumber. And Ramandeep Singh is unlucky. Got a good piece of the willow, but didn't have the distance.
Yeah, didn't get the elevation. Ripon should be happy. Trying to bowl that Yorker right length where the batter couldn't get that elevation that we are talking about. 17 for Ramandeep, 176 for 5.
It is outside the off stump. No time by Neil Vadera. Make it 2 runs in 2 deliveries. 14 of 4. Rakibul Hasan, as expected against the left-hander, firing it away from the left-hander.
India need a big hit here. When they were batting, the 90...
Shot! Long on in place. He'll be a spectator only. That was shot and a half, Ashutosh. He made a name for himself as a finisher. He pumped it over long on.
That was a big hit. Look at those boys there. Short delivery, bad delivery, pressure on Rakibul, one of the experienced bowler in the side.
Wow, we have a game in hand. 8 of 3. Long off fielder in place. And he drops it and goes for a 4. Oh, rubbing salt into the wound. That should have been taken. Under pressure, the fielder drops a sitter.
Yes. And then it went for a boundary as well.
Wow, what a game. That should have been taken. He has taken some blinders in this competition, Jishan Alam. And goes to show. Yorker, right on the money. Rakibul Hasan is not going to turn the ball. He's going to bowl it quick. And Ashutosh Sharma trying to pump it straight down the ground. Misses it. And the middle stump gets castled.
What a game of cricket this is. This is total entertainment. Say it's gone Bangladesh's way. Ashutosh Sharma, 13, 191.
In the slot, Harsh Dubey misses it. And the long on fielder makes it. Coming back for the second run. Oh! No! A super over! Akbar Ali, what have you done? Just had to be sensible. Keep the ball in your hand. Take the bails off. Could have given a victory to Bangladesh. Nevertheless, going for the stumps, missing it. Extra run. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, go to the final, which happens day after. 194 for 6, 194 for 6, identical. Just reminding all our viewers, 2 wickets in the super over. That's it. Only with 33 of 23. I reckon India has gone the right way. First ball. Yorker straight away. Jitesh Sharma trying to be cute. Ripon Mandal.
It's Yorker number 7 in a row. That 19th over we were talking about, he bowled them 6 Yorkers, and what a delivery. Perfect. Can't be more perfect. Jitesh Sharma has to go back for a duck. 0 for 1. India A.
Yorker again, short extra cover, back pedals, and takes it. 2 in 2. Ripon Mandal, his good competition goes on. And India A all out in the super over without a single score on the board.
The game you're frightened of losing is not worth winning. They weren't able to put a run on the board in the super over. Bangladesh need 1.
And Priyansh Arya. Because they are 2 batters who love to go after the bowlers. A think tank thinking with that batting order.
Yasir Ali, Jishan Alam, when the single or any of the runs come in to redeem themselves, and long on. Googly straight away, long on fielder in place, and he takes it. Ramandeep Singh, he's about 10 to 15 feet in front of the boundary rope. And Yasir Ali, very first ball, probably picked up the googly, trying to tonk it over. He's been dismissed.
There's
it. That's fine. Maninder Singh. What is it going to be?
looks fine to me. Looks fine to me. The TV umpire
Just confirming to the umpires in the middle, and the dreaded finger goes out. Oh, down the next side. And a wide being called. That was a googly, and thanks to the Evans, Akbar Ali, he got everything in this game.